Hello again with my boy Hugo, although he's falling asleep. Thought we'd take just a little day trip from Barcelona. Well, I don't know if this is still technically Barcelona, but it's a town very nearby. I'm talking like a 20-minute metro from most of the city. Yeah, it's called Sant Boi or Sant Boi. I'll put descriptions in the YouTube. But yeah, it's quite a scenic town. I've been here myself before. There's quite a lot of old little alleyways and a big grand church. But I thought I'd go a bit deeper and have a look around more. Because yeah, it seems quite a pleasant, scenic place. It's a Sunday, so I thought it'd be quiet, but if you look in the direction I'm looking, you can see it's pretty busy. People are eating out already. Some interesting little walkways and stuff. So yeah, and there's the big church to my left. Would that be to your right when you're watching? I'm not sure. Have a little look around if you're watching this in 360. Yeah, I thought it'd be very quiet today on a Sunday. Usually most of Barcelona is. Look, people are out eating. Where to begin? I'm going to go directly up this lane. So this is all new to me as well. I've not been this side of Sant Boi. I've been the church side, which we'll probably end up at. We've got a big park somewhere. Which way? Shall I go up that big one there? Let's go up this small lane. Wow, it's scenic. I'm hungry myself, so we'll try and find an interesting place to eat, I reckon. Oh, can you see the butterfly? Butterfly down there. Don't get squashed. It's your fate. Just thinking there, if I was say to move more to Barcelona, this is just hypothetical, I probably would come to the outskirts, somewhere like this, because just easy to travel into. It's probably cheaper. Yeah. Don't know what the hotel and hostel situation is like if you're traveling, but yeah, I find, because I come to Barcelona a lot, I way prefer outside of the city than in the city. It's just more chilled out, more interesting. I find there's better restaurants, it's cheaper. It just feels a bit more unique. Well, I don't know, to me anyway. Oh yeah, it's Halloween, there's some skeletons up there.